Kelly. To get started with the files that you need to open for your lesson in Excel Basics, here's a little tip. So I have Excel opened. I haven't started opening any files, just the program is opened at this point. So as you know, you go to Open Other Workbooks and then Browse. Okay, as you browse, you're looking for your USB device, and they're named different things. You might need to hit this PC on the left-hand side of your screen so that you can see what's all on your PC. And then you need to look for your drive. And let me put in one that looks like yours so you can see what I'm talking about exactly. So right now I'm inserting a USB device into my computer, and it's showing up as Basic Excel, and you can see it just popped onto the screen there. And I want to go to the Basic Excel drive. In this case it's I, but it could be any letter depending on your computer. Excel Basic Student Data is what I want to click on, and then there are 4 folders. We want Excel 1, and for the lesson you're doing you want Module, and then the file you're going to open is Finances. Then you move forward with that file. Notice the tabs at the bottom because this one does drag you through learning about Excel, and it takes you through the tabs at the bottom so you can learn a little bit more about the program in general. I hope that helps.